Hi all, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is again household differences. I had done a part 1 earlier and today's video is part 2 where you could see a few more household differences between India and Switzerland. So let's get into the video to know more. Let's get started. Yeah, so the first difference is the latch or the door locks. So you could see there are no latches or locks to lock the door. So it is just closed with the help of a key. So now it is open. Every door has a key to it. Hope you could see the key. So with the help of this key, we lock the doors. So just put it back and lock it. It is locked. So the difference is the latch pattern, so the door locks. Like in India, we do not have anything to latch the door. It is just with the help of the key. So every room has its individual key with which you can lock it. Even washrooms do not have any latches. They just have the keys. Next difference that I noticed is milk with longer shelf life. They have longer shelf life of 3 to 4 months. So this is achieved with the help of the process called UHT. It is called ultra heat treatment, in which milk is heated to a temperature of 135 degrees Celsius for 4 seconds and rapidly cooled down. By this process, they achieve storing milk for longer shelf life. So it can be easily stored for 3 to 4 months. Make sure you consume it within 3 to 4 months. So once you open, the freshness is only for a week. But if you keep it unopened, you can use it till the expiry ends. Like for about 3 to 4 months, you can hold 20 or 10 or 15 packets as per your family consumes. You can hold them and use it because it stays for 3 to 4 months, right? So you can just have them in your kitchen and use it whenever you need. So you do not add any preservatives or additives into it. It satisfies the EU norms as well. It remains fresh and also it kills microorganisms by this process as well. So it is almost equal consuming the pasteurized milk or the fresh milk. With UHT method, the milk stays fresh and has a longer shelf life. So another difference that I noticed in the kitchen is always the induction stove is just above the OTG grill oven. So almost in all the kitchens across Europe, it is the same concept where the induction stove or the glass top stove is just above the OTG grill oven. It is like this. So I hope you could see the OTG grill oven, and just above that is a glass top stove. So one more difference that I noticed is every room has heaters. So because of the climatic conditions, heaters are must here. So each room has heater. Like for example, this is my kitchen and you have long heaters here. Likewise, there are heaters in the living room, bedroom and even in washrooms. So this is my hall area and you could see heaters here in the hall area. The heaters are on continuously during winter and you can control the heat flow from 0 to 5. It uniformly distributes the heat in the room, keeping it warm. Hope you could see the knob, which has the numbers from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, with which you can control the heat flow. One more advantage of these heaters is the rods do not get heated up externally. You can still touch them when they are on, so it's user friendly and kid friendly as well. Every tap connected to your home or the shower has a continuous supply of both hot and cold water. The extreme left is continuous supply of hot water and extreme right is continuous supply of cold water. Thereby, there is no waste of time in turning on the heater, waiting for the water to heat up and then use it. The next difference I noticed here are the lights. All rooms have yellow lights except the kitchen. It seems the Germans or the Europeans like it this way. They like all their rooms to have yellow lights and they like to have white lights in the kitchen. One more difference that I noticed is a key pattern. So like always, every apartment or every door has their unique key. It opens the door to their apartment. But the same unique key is used to open the common door or the main door of the apartment also. So we use the same key to open the main door of the individual flat. As well, the same key is used to open the common door of the apartment as well. But everyone's key is unique, opening up to the door of their individual apartment. But the same unique key can be used to open the main door or the common door of the apartment as well. So So this is something different. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of knowing the differences between India and Europe. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.